What's up, YouTube? Gio here. I just went and saw a customer with a Samsung ice maker, a Samsung refrigerator, where the freezer was not working. The fresh food section feels like it was about 38 degrees. And I went there to do a diagnostic, see what was going on with the refrigerator. So I opened the freezer, of course, and it was hot in the freezer. I went ahead and bam, opened both French door up the top in the fresh food section. And one of the first thing I noticed was this huge ball of ice over in the ice compartment. You know where the ice maker is in the top left of the fresh food section, and it's missing the ice bucket, completely missing the ice bucket. And I looked over there, and I mean, the ice is melting, okay, because the ice bucket is missing. It's not able to hold freezing temperature in that section anymore because it's missing the whole ice bucket. It's needed in order for it to hold temperature. And I was like, wow, the ice bucket is missing. And I took my flashlight and kind of look in there, and I can notice that the whole inside is melting. I mean, melted. I mean, this customer used a hair dryer and went to work to defrost that thing inside the ice compartment. And man, I was surprised. The whole inside is melted. You look behind inside the ice compartment, straight in the back, where the thermistor and auger motor is. I mean, the plastic is all melted back there. And I was like, sir, my apologies, but I can't even work on this refrigerator. I can't touch this refrigerator. And he was like, why? And I was like, sir, if the unit is missing parts or modified in any way, my apologies, but my office, my boss, my superior company policy said that we cannot work on these refrigerator. We can't touch the appliance. If it's not installed properly, it's defective, missing parts, we can't touch it. So I grabbed my tools, apologized to him, and I just head on out of there. Not every job is a good job. I mean, it's one of the biggest things you guys gonna have to learn, and that I had to learn the hard way, is you have to choose your job and choose your clients. Don't go out there and try to do everything you can, give the shirt off your back just to get a client, just to get a job. Don't do it. Do not, Gio said, do not do it. Do not lower your price. Do not cut your standards. I mean, do not do it. All right? Because everything I do, I give a 2-year warranty on it. And, I don't do anything or try to repair any appliance that I see that there's going to be a future issue or a future problem. I just don't do it. So you guys just got to be real careful out there. That's one of the big don'ts and do not do in this business. That's one of the big one. Don't sell yourself short. Don't try to repair every appliance, especially stuff that look like it's falling apart. Why put yourself in that position? Why take the risk? Because if you patch something up and a couple days, couple weeks later, they're gonna call you back. I mean, you're gonna have an unhappy customer. Why? For a couple dollars? The headache is not worth it, man. I'm telling you guys, the headache is not worth it. You guys gotta know when to say no. That's something I had to learn the hard way. When to say no. Learn when to say no. Very important. Yeah, so I done left. I am on my way to my next job. I like it a little warm. I don't use AC much. But yeah, you guys like, share, and subscribe. Don't sell yourself short. Like, share, and subscribe.